Good morning, Corpus Christi. We'll start you off with a live look across town here from our shoreline cam looking at the Harbor Bridge. We've got some blue sky and some clouds out there. Also a very calm bay this morning as the winds are calm. They're hardly blowing at all. In fact, you can see that here on our current conditions. 79 is the current temperature outside. Humidity still at 100%. So it's a pretty muggy morning out there. In terms of Doppler radar, things are quiet. It's not having to work too hard this morning. However, you look off in the Gulf of Mexico, we've got a few showers to be speaking of out there. We've got just enough moisture in the atmosphere that we could squeeze out a stray shower or two, especially with that sea breeze later on today. But beyond that, I don't expect to see much rain. So it's going to be a bit toned down from what we've seen the past several days. We've got high pressure in place, and that is kind of inhibiting a lot of that, that combined with lower amounts of moisture in our atmosphere. So here's where we go on Future Tracker. There you can see some of those sea breeze showers popping up by about 2 o'clock or so. They'd be brief and very fast if they move over. They're going to be pretty small as well. So I don't expect to see much in the way of heavy rain from these. And then by the time we hit dinner time in the evening, we're in good shape, all clearing out. In terms of the water vapor satellite, I want to show you we've got two tropical systems. One is still Tropical Storm Chris off the Carolina coast. That's headed off to the northeast away from the U.S. That's good news. Remnants of Beryl, this is Beryl, it's just degenerated into these showers and storms. That's basically going to follow Chris out of the Atlantic. So no big concerns in the tropics. We do have another area of dust that we're going to be tracking over the next several days. It's rolled off the coast of Africa, shown here in this yellow. It's going to keep tracking off to the west over the next several days, and we're going to watch it move into South Texas by the time we hit this weekend, which just means we're going to be in for another murky weekend. For this afternoon, there's that stray shower popping up potentially around 2 o'clock. Temperatures rising to the low 90s today. Yesterday, we only got into the 80s, and we're going to be looking at a breeze about 10 to 15 miles per hour. The stray sea breeze showers could pop up for the rest of the week. Then we're going to watch the breeze really begin to pick up as we hit the end of the week and the weekend. For now, we'll send you back over to CBS This Morning.